Join me as I dive into the world of TLT stock and see if I can predict whether it's about to explode or not. TLT stock, which tracks the 20-year Treasury bond, has been a significant player in the bond market, and its potential movement is definitely worth discussing. The current market conditions are pretty intriguing, with interest rates constantly changing, which directly affects TLT stock. Interest rate changes have a huge impact on bond prices, and as a result, TLT stock's price. Investors are keeping a close eye on these changes, trying to anticipate what's going to happen next. The overall sentiment in the market is cautious, with many investors waiting to see how things play out. This caution is reflected in the stock's current price, which has been relatively stable lately. The market's uncertainty is also fueled by the economic indicators, which are not giving a clear picture of what's to come. The bond market is highly sensitive to economic indicators, and any sign of inflation or recession can greatly impact TLT stock. Federal Reserve policies also play a huge role in shaping the bond market, and their decisions can either boost or hurt TLT stock. Market trends are another factor that can influence TLT stock's price, with trends in the stock market and other financial markets having a ripple effect on the bond market. The current trend suggests that investors are looking for safer options, which could lead to an increase in TLT stock's price. The interplay between economic indicators, Federal Reserve policies, and market trends makes it challenging to predict TLT stock's future performance. However, by analyzing these factors and identifying patterns, it's possible to make some educated predictions. The key is to stay up to date with the latest developments and adjust your strategy accordingly. Historical data can also provide valuable insights into how TLT stock has performed in similar situations. By combining these factors, investors can make more informed decisions about their investments. Revealing some key insights, it seems that TLT stock might be poised for a significant movement, potentially driven by the current market conditions and economic indicators. The Federal Reserve's policies will likely play a crucial role in determining the stock's future performance. New developments, such as changes in interest rates or unexpected economic shifts, could also impact TLT stock's price. Analyzing these factors and staying ahead of the curve can help investors make the most of their investments. The potential for growth is there, but it's essential to approach with caution and carefully consider all the factors at play. The potential for TLT stock to explode is definitely there, but it's crucial to approach this investment with a clear understanding of the risks and rewards. The bond market can be unpredictable, and even with careful analysis, there are no guarantees. However, by staying informed and adapting to changing market conditions, investors can increase their chances of success. The future of TLT stock is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. In summary, TLT stock's potential movement is worth discussing, and the current market conditions, economic indicators, and Federal Reserve policies all play a role in determining its future performance. The key takeaways are to stay informed, analyze the factors at play, and approach with caution. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on TLT stock, be sure to share them in the comments below. If you're interested in more investment analysis and insights, check out my other videos for the latest updates and predictions.